Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best gold rings is probably one of the most versatile components in jewelry making, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a budding enthusiast, selecting the right gold rings is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gold rings, exploring various types, sizes, and styles to help you make informed decisions and elevate your jewelry creations. Number 5. OHINGLT 11mm Golden Split Ring Clips. These golden split ring clips are perfect for a variety of projects. They are made of strong stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. You can use them for jewelry making, crafts, and more. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, these jump rings are lead, nickel, and cadmium free. This material is not only strong but also safe for your skin. It is designed to be easily bent for your convenience. Each pack contains 500 golden rings, providing ample supply for your creative endeavors. The simple yet durable design makes them suitable for most jewelry and craft projects. They are ready to use. These rings measure 11mm, making them ideal for various applications. They are perfect for connecting components in crystal lamps, curtains, garlands, necklaces, and earrings. Make sure the size meets your needs before buying. These stainless steel double-loop jump rings are perfect for jewelry making, arts, crafts, and DIY projects. They are excellent for connecting charms, pendants, and other components. It is a great choice for your handmade jewelry. Made of stainless steel, these rings are rust-resistant and won't fade. The material is safe and won't irritate your skin. It is a great choice for your handmade jewelry. What we like? These stainless steel rings are incredibly durable, perfect for long-lasting jewelry. They are also versatile, suitable for various crafts. If you're looking for a reliable and safe option for your jewelry making, you should consider this product. It's ideal for those who prioritize both safety and longevity in their creations. What people say. The rings are perfect for jewelry making. The gold color is beautiful and consistent. They are great for making necklaces and bracelets. Number 4. Ofiuny 925 Sterling Silver Slider Pendant Clasp. Introducing the Ofiuny Slider Pendant Clasp, meticulously crafted in Italy from genuine 925 sterling silver. This clasp ensures both quality and style for your jewelry creations. It's a testament to fine Italian craftsmanship. Made from pure 925 sterling silver, this clasp guarantees durability and a brilliant shine. You can be assured of its quality. It's perfect for creating lasting jewelry pieces. Measuring 4.2 by 11mm with a 3.0mm open loop, this clasp is perfectly sized for various necklaces. It can accommodate necklaces up to 3.2mm thick. This makes it ideal for a wide range of designs. Each package includes 5 pieces of these versatile pendant clasps. This provides you with ample supply for multiple DIY projects. It's convenient for creating unique jewelry. This clasp is designed for easy attachment of pendants to necklaces and bracelets. It's suitable for most necklaces, allowing you to create personalized jewelry. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. What we like? This pendant clasp, made in Italy from sterling silver, adds a touch of elegance to your designs. It's easy to use and perfect for a variety of necklaces. If you are looking for a premium, easy-to-use clasp for your necklaces, you should choose this one. It's perfect for those who value quality and ease of use in their jewelry making. What people say. Rings are perfect for jewelry making. The gold color is beautiful and consistent. They are the perfect size for my needs. Number 3. OHINGLT 18K Gold Carabiner Clasps for Women. Introducing the OHINGLT Carabiner Clasp, crafted with fine brass and an elegant design. It's more than just a clasp, it's a stylish piece of art that will make you stand out. This oval-designed pendant clasp is perfect for creating jewelry pendants or key connectors. It adds a touch of luxury and uniqueness to any accessory collection. Made from anti-rust brass, this charm clasp is highly polished and comfortable to wear. It's strong, smooth, and built to last, ensuring durability for everyday use. The clasp features a spring clasp design that is easy to use and secure. Simply press the opening to attach it to your favorite items. The oval design makes the inner ring larger. You'll receive 10 pieces of clasps in various sizes. Perfect for hanging on backpacks, handbags, as key rings, or for crafts and decorations. Get yours today. What we like. This carabiner clip features exquisite craftsmanship and a stylish design. It's easy to use and adds a unique touch to any accessory. If you like to add a touch of luxury and uniqueness to your jewelry, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want their creations to stand out. What people say. The rings are perfect for jewelry making. The rings are great for making jewelry. Number 2. Mr. Penn Gold Jump Rings and Lobster Clasps. This kit includes lobster clasps and jump rings in various sizes. It's perfect for anyone who loves making their own jewelry. It makes creating necklaces, bracelets, and anklets easy. The package comes with 40 lobster clasps and 974 jump rings. They are all packed in a convenient plastic case. This makes it easy to store and find what you need. The lobster clasps are made of zinc alloy, and the jump rings are made of iron. They are sturdy, lightweight, and durable. You can use them without any worries. With these jump rings and clasps, you can easily create beautiful jewelry. The gold finish has a long-lasting luster and a smooth surface. It will make your creations look amazing. These are suitable for making bracelets, earrings, anklets, and keychains. They are also great for repairing jewelry. It's easy for beginners and experienced jewelry makers alike. What we like. This set offers a variety of sizes and durable materials, making it perfect for various projects. The included storage case keeps everything organized. If you're a beginner or a DIY enthusiast looking for a complete and organized set, you should choose this. It's designed to make your jewelry making easier than ever. What people say. The rings are perfect for jewelry making. The gold color is beautiful and consistent. They are the perfect size for my needs. Number 1. Youdiyla 1500 PCS Jump Rings Jewelry Making Kit. Are you looking for a versatile kit for your jewelry making? This kit includes about 1,500 jump rings in 6 different sizes. It's perfect for a variety of projects. The kit contains 6 different sizes: 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, and 10mm. This variety ensures that you have the right size for any project you're working on. These jump rings are designed for ease of use, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced jewelry makers. You can easily create stunning pieces with this kit. This kit is great for DIY jewelry, including necklaces, bracelets, and anklets. It's also suitable for suspending small items, offering endless creative possibilities. The jump rings come in a plastic storage box to prevent damage and keep them organized. The compartments make it easy to find the size you need quickly. Youdiyla is committed to providing the best products and service. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us for a replacement. Thank you for choosing this kit. What we like. This set includes multiple sizes, making it versatile for various jewelry projects. It's also easy to use, perfect for any project you have. If you have a variety of projects and need an organized set, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who value convenience and versatility in their jewelry making. What people say. The rings are perfect for jewelry making. The rings are great for making jewelry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.